In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Etsy. Maybe your favorites list has gotten a little cluttered, or you just want to tidy things up so you can focus on the items you really love. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to remove items from your favorites using the standard Etsy website layout. By the end, you'll know how to quickly clear out anything you no longer want saved. First, open your web browser and go to the Etsy Marketplace homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account because your favorites are tied to your personal profile. If you're not logged in, go ahead and sign in with your usual details so Etsy can load your saved items. Once you're on the main Etsy dashboard and signed in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a small heart icon in the header area. This heart represents your favorites. Click on that heart icon to open your favorites section. After clicking the heart, you'll be taken to a page that shows all of the items you favorited. These might be individual products and possibly items organized into different collections or lists you've created. Take a moment to scroll through and find the item you want to remove. When you've found an item you'd like to remove from your favorites, move your mouse over that item and hover your cursor on top of it. As you hover over the item, a small heart will appear in the top right corner of the item's image. This is the same heart you clicked when you originally favorited the item. Now, click on that heart icon on the item. This will open a small menu or pop-up that shows which collection or collections this item is saved to. You'll see a checkbox next to each collection name where the item is currently included. To remove the item from your favorites, click on the checkbox to uncheck it. If the item is in just one collection, unchecking that box will effectively remove it from your favorites. If it's in multiple collections, make sure you uncheck each one where you no longer want the item saved. Once you've unchecked the relevant box or boxes, look for the button labeled Done in that small pop-up. Click Done to confirm your changes and close the menu. The item will now be removed from that collection, and if it's not saved anywhere else, it will no longer appear in your favorites list. You can repeat this process for any other items you want to clear out. Just hover over the item, click the heart, uncheck the collection, and hit Done. This is a simple way to keep your Etsy favorites organized and focused only on the items you're still interested in.